LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And there was a few opportunity to look for buy based on lower time frame, and this is the last one. Anyone is in the trade now, which they need to look at this, because if there is a continuation, is good. If not, maybe we should take out the trade. Okay, because the way it was moving, it was really corrective. All right, as we can see, the only way to trade was based on 15 minutes, because every time we have a small correction for continuation. That's why we mentioned the way it's moving is corrective. We mentioned if we're looking for trade based on like 15 minutes with a small correction, we consider as a short-term buy. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Okay. By the way, anyone is in the trade within this range based on any of this correction, again, they should start to manage and now want to see how high this one can go. And in this case, we start with higher time frame. All right, based on higher time frame, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal because we're looking for this correction. We want to see whether this is the start of the correction, start of the reversal. I mean, the price can retest the top, a break or not, because the top, I mean, is 230. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, as what we expected, the price after breakout of 182, we were expecting to drop to 169, exactly the price tag and reverse. Now we're looking at this. As we mentioned, may this one turn to any of this correction for one more drop. This is what we need to be quite careful. That's why based on 1 hour chart, I mentioned is the way it's moving is corrective. If we get any trade, we have to start to manage. I mean, we should manage it if this is not moving, because if we get one more drop, the next down move easily the price can break 169, and what we can expect for 153. The only times you can confirm for continuation if you get a correction, then from there the price can continue. Okay, because if it starts similar to what we have here, even based on 1 hour chart as a corrective, mostly me the price drop or move for bigger correction. And if I move to 1 hour chart, this is what we have. And from now, if we get any small correction, as we explain what we have based on 15 minutes, we can look for trade, but we consider as a short-term trade. And the best things is if this one give us a bigger correction for continuation. This is what we prefer. By the way, we just follow the chart. We don't have any trade setup for the next trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And what we need to bear in mind, in case whether here or higher, if we get any sharp move down with the flag, this is where it can confirm that the price is going to drop. This is where we should take out all the trades we have within this range, and maybe from there we can look for sell. But right now we're hoping for continuation, or it may give us a correction for continuation. There isn't a point on if we get a down move with the flag. This is where we should take out all our trade in the buy. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.